Hey, Iowa Mom, is there anything we can do with old crust and dried up bread? I hate to waste food.
I saved pieces of bread that are getting kind of hard and old and crust to make croutons.
I set my oven for 350 degrees. Now, making croutons is more than just saving money. They are delicious.
Stack them up, slice them about 3/4 inch, and then we're going to turn it.
We're going to be toasting these little cubes in the oven so they can be stored in the cupboard much longer.
I'm using a regular cookie sheet. Put my cubes of bread on that and spread it out. Some key ingredients to make these really good. One is olive oil, and I use olive oil in a squirt bottle. It makes it so easy. You just squirt a little ribbon of olive oil over that one way and then the other way. And then I'm going to just kind of mix those together. And you can see it greases the pan while you're at it. I'm going to clump them together in order to season them so we don't season just the pan. And I'm using Italian seasoning. I got this at the Dollar Tree. Give it a quick sprinkle of salt and pepper. And you don't have to measure any of this, just sprinkle it so it's got a nice even sprinkling. Now we can spread this out. We'll put it in a 350 degree oven for 15 minutes. Nice and brown. Make sure and wait for them to cool before storing them.
You can store in a plastic bag or a jar. Here are some ways I like to use croutons.
I can just use some prepackaged lettuce, add the croutons to give it a little more crunch and flavor, because man, they are good. Another thing I like to use it for is just to enhance a plain bowl of soup. It adds flavor and texture. So instead of crackers, I use my homemade croutons. This is Lena Shea, an Iowa Mom. Thanks for watching.
If you'd like to see more of my videos, go to youtube.com/@IowaMom. Then click on the video tab for a whole list.